Too cool, huh? That's too cool. Breakfast of champions. This is a loon, right? If I'm not mistaken.
It's not.
It's not a loon?
No, it's a canard.
It's a canard? It's Hold on. It won't be long, okay? I know we were on a mission, but I have to stop and just absorb how awesome this is. Having breakfast with the canards. the canards. Oh! But no, I believe... No, what species of duck is this?
It's a Canada goose.
This is a Canada goose?
Yeah, this is the Canada goose.
This is the Canada goose. Like bubble goose. Oh, yes. This is the Canada goose.
Yeah, Canada goose.
Fact, 100%.
Yeah.
That's too cool. Just eating its breakfast. Too cool. On the side of the road. People stop, take a look. Hi, duckies. This guy's there, hanging out with them. He wants to interact. Too cool. That's too cool. Right here, boom. Oh, poopy time. Thank you, Mr. Goose. We hope you feel better now that you've relieved your bowels. And we shall move along too. Enjoy your breakfast, guys. See you later.